初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I need to send a letter.
I need to send a letter.
我需要寄一封信。
I need to send a letter.
I need to send a letter.
Can I buy some stamps here?
Can I buy some stamps here?
我可以在这里买些邮票吗？
Can I buy some stamps here?
Can I buy some stamps here?
How much is the postage?
How much is the postage?
邮费是多少？
How much is the postage?
How much is the postage?
I want to mail a package.
I want to mail a package.
我想寄一个包裹。
I want to mail a package.
I want to mail a package.
Do you have express delivery?
Do you have express delivery?
你们有快递服务吗？
Do you have express delivery?
Do you have express delivery?
Can I track my parcel?
Can I track my parcel?
我可以追踪我的包裹吗？
Can I track my parcel?
Can I track my parcel?
I need a receipt, please.
I need a receipt, please.
请给我一张收据。
I need a receipt, please.
I need a receipt, please.
How long will it take?
How long will it take?
需要多长时间？
How long will it take?
How long will it take?
Do you deliver on weekends?
Do you deliver on weekends?
你们周末送货吗？
Do you deliver on weekends?
Do you deliver on weekends?
Can I send this overseas?
Can I send this overseas?
我可以寄到海外吗？
Can I send this overseas?
Can I send this overseas?
What are the delivery options?
What are the delivery options?
有哪些送货选项？
What are the delivery options?
What are the delivery options?
Is there insurance available?
Is there insurance available?
有保险服务吗？
Is there insurance available?
Is there insurance available?
I would like a registered mail.
I would like a registered mail.
我想要挂号信。
I would like a registered mail.
I would like a registered mail.
Can I buy an envelope here?
Can I buy an envelope here?
我可以在这里买信封吗？
Can I buy an envelope here?
Can I buy an envelope here?
Do you sell packaging boxes?
Do you sell packaging boxes?
你们卖包装盒吗？
Do you sell packaging boxes?
Do you sell packaging boxes?
Please weigh this package.
Please weigh this package.
请称一下这个包裹。
Please weigh this package.
Please weigh this package.
Is this too heavy to send?
Is this too heavy to send?
这个太重了，不能寄吗？
Is this too heavy to send?
Is this too heavy to send?
Do I need to fill out a form?
Do I need to fill out a form?
我需要填表格吗？
Do I need to fill out a form?
Do I need to fill out a form?
Can I change the delivery address?
Can I change the delivery address?
我可以更改送货地址吗？
Can I change the delivery address?
Can I change the delivery address?
How do I collect a parcel?
How do I collect a parcel?
我如何领取包裹？
How do I collect a parcel?
How do I collect a parcel?
I have a parcel notice.
I have a parcel notice.
我有包裹通知。
I have a parcel notice.
I have a parcel notice.
Where is the pickup counter?
Where is the pickup counter?
取件柜台在哪里？
Where is the pickup counter?
Where is the pickup counter?
Can I schedule redelivery?
Can I schedule redelivery?
我可以安排重新投递吗？
Can I schedule redelivery?
Can I schedule redelivery?
I need to return this item.
I need to return this item.
我需要退回这个物品。
I need to return this item.
I need to return this item.
Do you offer cash on delivery?
Do you offer cash on delivery?
你们提供货到付款吗？
Do you offer cash on delivery?
Do you offer cash on delivery?
Can I send a postcard?
Can I send a postcard?
我可以寄明信片吗？
Can I send a postcard?
Can I send a postcard?
How much is the international rate?
How much is the international rate?
国际邮费是多少？
How much is the international rate?
How much is the international rate?
Do you have priority mail?
Do you have priority mail?
你们有优先邮件服务吗？
Do you have priority mail?
Do you have priority mail?
Is tracking included in the price?
Is tracking included in the price?
价格包含追踪服务吗？
Is tracking included in the price?
Is tracking included in the price?
Can I buy a money order?
Can I buy a money order?
我可以买汇票吗？
Can I buy a money order?
Can I buy a money order?
Do you sell postal supplies?
Do you sell postal supplies?
你们卖邮政用品吗？
Do you sell postal supplies?
Do you sell postal supplies?
Can I use a credit card here?
Can I use a credit card here?
我可以在这里用信用卡吗？
Can I use a credit card here?
Can I use a credit card here?
Is there a customs declaration form?
Is there a customs declaration form?
有海关申报表吗？
Is there a customs declaration form?
Is there a customs declaration form?
Can I get proof of delivery?
Can I get proof of delivery?
我可以拿到投递证明吗？
Can I get proof of delivery?
Can I get proof of delivery?
Do you have express envelopes?
Do you have express envelopes?
你们有快递信封吗？
Do you have express envelopes?
Do you have express envelopes?
Can I send fragile items?
Can I send fragile items?
我可以寄易碎物品吗？
Can I send fragile items?
Can I send fragile items?
Please mark this as urgent.
Please mark this as urgent.
请标记为加急。
Please mark this as urgent.
Please mark this as urgent.
Can I send documents only?
Can I send documents only?
我可以只寄文件吗？
Can I send documents only?
Can I send documents only?
Is there a limit on parcel size?
Is there a limit on parcel size?
包裹大小有限制吗？
Is there a limit on parcel size?
Is there a limit on parcel size?
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
谢谢你的帮助。
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。